Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to manage push notifications on the eBay app. Many users receive too many alerts from eBay and don't realize they can easily control which ones appear on their phone. First, open the eBay app on your smartphone. Next, tap on My eBay, located at the bottom of your screen. Then, scroll down until you see the Settings option and tap on it. After that, select Push Notifications. Here, you'll see different types of notifications, such as messages, offers, and updates. You can now turn off any notifications that you don't want to receive by toggling the switch beside each category. Your preferences will be saved automatically. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.